I got a box, or a bag, I should say, from Falcam. So a little bit of backstory here. Thanks to you guys and supporting this channel. The last video I did with the Ulanzi versus the Falcam Treeroot, my favorite tripod, at least my favorite travel tripod. This is my go-to right now. This is the Treeroot Classic, as they call it, because there's now 3 of them. But this is still my favorite. Thanks to you guys, I bought this, did a review versus Ulanzi. Falcam saw it, and they said, hey, we'd like you to review our SE tripod versus the Ulanzi, just like you did. So I'm going to be doing that video in the future. So I'm sure this is one of the things they sent me, but there's also some other things in here. So I'm just going to do a full unboxing of everything that's in here, and we're going to get to it. So thank you guys. I met them at NAB. They saw the video and they're like, hey, what else do you need? And can you do this other review on this upcoming tripod we have? So I'm just excited because when you work with brands that you actually care about, I already invested in Falcam. I've got all their quick release plates. I got their tripod, and now they're wanting to send me stuff. Those are the kind of brands and relationships that I want to build personally, because I have no problems doing videos on their stuff for you guys because I actually like the stuff. And there's a few brands I'm working with right now that they do that. So, all right. So there's no shocker right here. The new Treeroot SE. So if you thought the classic Treeroot was too expensive, this one is for you. And then there's a bag within a bag. Awesome. But yeah, I can never have enough Treeroot tripods. I think these things are just complete awesome. Yes. The SE. So the biggest thing with the SE is the head. So I still think the classic head is better, and it doesn't have those hexagon legs. But you know, I'm probably gonna do a video of it versus the classic as well, just so you guys know what to expect. But all right, what else we got in here? Whoa, dude! Magnetic buckle, magnetic buckle, magnetic buck. What? So I did say that if they wouldn't mind send me some of those. I have their Falcam strap, but I don't have enough of those ends for other camera gear pieces. It looks like they just loaded me up. Quick release. So, this is a new one, I think. Yes, so they have a new Falcam quick release. Now, if you saw one of my last videos, there's the Ulanzi Yuka system works with it, and I do like it. Actually, it's right here. I like that it snaps in, kind of like my old Manfrotto ones, but it uses the F38 and that. So I like anything that's universal like that. But these also have their place, and I love using the slide ends. And this new design, I love it. I love it. Everything with their new flat, just push to the side. Their backpack clips have this. They got the new camera strap thing, which they gave me at NAB as well. So thank you guys at Falcam. But I got some new plates. You can never have enough quick release plates. At least I can never have. So it looks like they sent me 2 of those. Awesome. And then they sent me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these. So I wonder how many are in the pack and what exactly is in here. All right, cool. Yeah. So these magnetic hooks, these little. If you don't know the straps, they're so good. This is I'm moving to all this, no more Peak Design. And the cool thing about their tripods as well is they have a little spot to install these on their tripod, so you can actually wrap the tripod. They're magnetized, so they're strong. I was not I don't think this is gonna work, but their straps are legit, and I'm moving all to them. My Peak Design straps are, they'll be around. I might still use them. Honestly, I thought about putting these on the ends of the Peak Design straps, just so I just still use them for something. But all my cameras, all my tripods, everything will have these straps on them, so that I can quickly just use that strap with everything. So that's what they sent me. Let's, might as well just open up this and see it. We'll get a little quick preview, right? Oh, same awesome bag. Cool. I forget what those were for. So I love that they come with like super duper like high quality bags, even though I never use a bag. So I guess I love it, and I also don't necessarily care. So I guess I would be one of those people, if you didn't include a bag and you saved me money, I'd be cool with that too. But we all know brands don't do that. They don't just not include stuff and then give you a bunch of back. So I'll take any of the good high quality stuff they can get. All right. And here we go. This is why I used to hate twist knobs, but now they got these easy unlock lock, just super easy, super quick, and that's it. And so the biggest thing with this SE model now is that it's all like tubular. So this is going to be very interesting to compare to the Ulanzi. So, I mean, this is a good on-the-go budget tripod. Like I said, the biggest thing that keeps it from being completely awesome is this ball head. It's a regular ball head, where I love the Pro because it can fit F-38, any plate pretty much can fit on this. And so this one is not that way, and it doesn't like pan. There's no like panning, and but this is still like, if you just need a tripod to hold your stuff, and it has F-38, and you just need a basic ball head and something to hold your stuff, this is the way to go right here. This is it right here. Nice. Because I really do want to see. I saw it in person, so they're really not like, if you're going off of size, the SE model is actually like a hair taller because the ball head sits higher than their other one. So, and then like thickness, I mean, they're not that much different. So as far as traveling size goes, I'm picking the Classic all the time because of that awesome head. But this one's really cool. So I love having a good tripod. So now I've got 2 awesome tripods. So, and this tripod is actually turned into my new real estate tripod because it is so stable and it's so quick. So, and I can actually just snap it, quick release it on and off the geared head. So I love that. So anyway, be looking for a video review on this. Thank you, Falcam, for sending me all this stuff. And thank you guys for supporting this channel, because ultimately at the end of the day, I wouldn't even be getting sent any of this if you guys weren't as supportive as you have been. So thank you guys so much. Like, subscribe, do all the fun YouTube things, and you guys know that I will see you in the future. Like kid in the candy store getting all new stuff. Never can have too many tripods though. Gosh, this thing is so cool. Awesome.